Hello everyone, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. In today's video, I want to dive into my website and I want to share some navigations and features that my website danielyuck.com has to offer. Should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I'm going to highly encourage you to drop a comment down below and I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. I also have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I would truly appreciate the support over there as well. If you enjoy my channel and find my content helpful, consider becoming a Patreon or sending over a super thanks, as I would truly appreciate your support. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive straight on into this. So for those who are not aware, I do have a website under danielyuck.com, and again, I will leave links for you down below so you can navigate directly to my website. My website is danielyuck.com, and on this website, I'm going to be uploading all things tattooing, from tattoo gear, tattoo blogs and articles, and more. I'm going to go ahead and run through some features here, and I want to kind of just explain how the website functions for now. I'm always looking to improve, so if you have any recommendations or if you have any ideas that I can implement, by all means drop it in the comment section down below. I am all ears. So upon navigating to danielyuck.com, we are going to be greeted with a page that looks similar to this. Please keep in mind that I'm always looking to improve, so if there are ways that I can deliver this information in a more easy to consume, better format, I'm going to do so. So it may vary if you're seeing this video later on in the future. However, when we visit danielyuck.com, this is what we are greeted with right here. We have a header, and then we have the home page. We have different categories. We have an article section, and then we have a tattoo gear section, and we kind of keep scrolling down. We have another article blog section, and then we have some tattoo stencils, and then we have some more resources right here, and then some YouTube channels of the Yuck family. So that in a nutshell is the home page. I kind of want to slow things down and break things down into a more easier to consume format here. So up top right here we have the website header, and right here everything is easily accessible. So allow me to elaborate a little bit more on that. So if we hover over these areas that have these down arrows, there is pop-up menus that pop up. So for example, if we're on another page, you can just simply hit home to navigate to this page right here. Under the home section, we have the Contact Daniel Yuck, privacy policy, the cookie policy page. We have my PO box address, and as I get more, I'm going to be updating this website constantly, so I do encourage you to come back and check in with me frequently. Under the shop all section, everything from tattoo stencils, fake skins, tattoo gear, everything is going to be listed in this section right here. So if you are on the market for some maybe new tattoo gear, some new supplies, chances of you finding something that you would like from my website are very, very high, as I'm going to be updating this database with endless amounts of content for you all, because the idea behind my website is to provide you with the absolute most value that I can. I want you to get the absolute most bang for your buck, and I want you to learn as much as you possibly can with resources that are available to you. Under the shop all section, you can access all the gear and everything that I have to offer on my website, whether it's a tattoo stencil, a Procreate brush pack, a mandala grid, tattoo gear. It doesn't matter. If you want to kind of just see everything, you can navigate to the shop all section. It is broken down into different categories like fake skins and limbs. I do also have my Amazon store listed and my Patreon. I will make another in-depth video on my Patreon and what that has to offer, but for this video I want to stick to the resource danielyuck.com. All we have to do is simply click on, for example, the shop all section. From there, it's going to navigate to the shop all page. You can see right here we are at the shop page, and here we have a stencil, we have real skin, fake skins, and we have an assortment of different tattoo gear, from tattoo ink, ballpoint pen cartridges, we have silicone limbs, we have tattoo machines. Also, please keep in mind that this database is going to be ever growing, so there's always going to be new products available for you all. I'm always going to keep updating these with quality gear and affordable gear that you can get the most value for your buck on your end. Not only that, let's go ahead and move on to the next section right here. You'll also notice that there is multiple pages, so feel free to take your time and browse throughout the website. I'm going to head back over to the home page, and on the home page over here we do have down here different categories of what I have to offer. So for one section, it's going to be tattoo stencils. I have Procreate brushes. I do have free PDF documents. I do have free stencils as well for you. Also, anything that I offer for free is going to be in this section right here. I do have several mandala grids that I have on my end. I just haven't put them on the site just yet. However, you can expect more grids, different types of grids that help you create different mandalas on your end. I do have a category broken down for tattoo gear specific. So if you are on the market just for tattoo gear alone, you can navigate to that section. The idea is I'm always trying to deliver this information in the easiest to consume format for you all. So if you have any recommendations on how I can make this easier or better, by all means, let me know. I'm all ears. Moving down here, you're going to notice that this section right here has tattoo articles and blogs, and there is an assortment here. You can also navigate to this section up here from the top, and I'm going to go ahead and just click on an article. I'm going to go to the what are blowouts article, for example. And also please keep in mind, this is something that I can't exhaust enough, that this website, I'm always going to be making constant updates to it, so there's always going to be new fresh content for you. I kind of want to give you an idea of what my articles and blogs have to offer. So this article right here is dedicated to blowing out and what blowouts are. I want to educate the readers as much as I possibly can and relay the absolute most amount of information that I can within my articles and blogs. I do feel like they're great reads, especially for those who are looking to begin their journey or just kind of want to brush up on different information. I highly recommend to check out the tattoo blogs and article sections on my website. Not only that, I also encourage you to participate amongst them as well, and I'll get to that here shortly. But for example, on this blowout article, you can see that I included images, I included videos, and I included a lot of literature that my viewers and users can go through so they can get a real good understanding as to what they can expect from blowouts. By the end of the articles, my overall goal is to have educated my reader enough for them to have been able to walk away with some information that they can use and practice with on their end effective immediately. So you can see, not only do I include videos and images of actual blowouts and blowout healing, I also included PDF documents as well that you can access here, which are resourceful in terms of how you can better your craft on your end. Again, I highly recommend to check this out for yourself. Read everything at your own pace. I want to navigate back to the homepage here, and I kind of want to explain a little bit more about some more blog types that I do have to offer. Now, I do have a section of blogging where I want my audience to be more interactive and help others along their way, and that's, I guess that's the overall idea and goal for this section, is to help others, is to educate others. And you can see right here. So for example, I have a section called what's wrong with this tattoo. So if we navigate to one of these articles here by clicking continue reading, it's going to take us to the article page, and then from here we can navigate and look at the tattoo, and then we can leave our own comments on what's wrong with these tattoos, what others feel like went wrong with this specific tattoo right here. And then when others do come and visit these vlogs, they can get educated information from other artists around the world. That's the idea. The idea is to leave good, useful information that others could potentially use on their end. I want to encourage you to navigate throughout the tattoo articles and blogs and kind of consume the information at your own pace on your end. If I click right here on what's going on here, part 1, this is another vlogging section again, and it kind of has the same approach where I show you all a specific tattoo scenario and we kind of talk about what's going on within this specific tattoo scenario right here. Within this area, the idea is when other people come in and read all the comments, take a look at the picture, see what's going on for themselves, they can kind of get more education. And the idea behind this is, for example, let's say if there is a tattoo collector who is consuming this information, I think that having a vast comment section with other people's opinions and their logic, their thought process, and their approaches can potentially help that tattoo collector pinpoint improper practices along their tattooing journey. And again, you can be a tattoo collector or a tattoo artist that can benefit from such articles and blogs. So I want to encourage each and every one of you to leave a comment, leave a reply, drop your opinions, drop your insight, drop your logic, your thought process, and your approach. You never know that you can help someone potentially in the future, and that is the idea behind the articles and blogs here. Another cool thing that my website does offer is in this section right here, I have a tattoo critique submission form. I also have personal tattoo feedback. I kind of want to touch base a little bit as well on these and kind of let you all know that these features do exist. When we navigate to the tattoo critique submission page, we're going to be greeted with some literature right here that basically tells us what's going on this page and what this is for. From there, you can actually submit your own tattoos that you've done on your end for your chance to be featured on my YouTube channel. For those who are not familiar, I do have a section on my YouTube channel where I critique other people's work and I let them know other things that they can potentially practice to better their skill sets on their end. Should this be something that you are interested in, this is the page to go ahead and submit your work. I am on a desktop, however, you can still submit directly from a mobile device. So for those who may be interested in submitting some tattoo work of yours that you've done for Tattoo Critique, by all means, you can go ahead and do so using this page right here. Another thing that I want to navigate is this area right here. You can see we have personal tattoo feedback, and it's also listed right here as a product page under the Tattoo Critique submission. If I click on that, this is basically the product page of the personal tattoo feedback. Now, the idea behind this service right here would be, let's say if you didn't want your tattoos to be featured on into the public, so to speak, if you didn't want them to be so open, let's say you did want tailored feedback directly to you in privacy, then this is the way to go. From here, what you would do is you would add to cart, you would check out Safe Secure. I do have SSL encryption on my website, so all of your purchases are 110% safe and secure. The idea would be to purchase this service, and then you would submit 1 to 10 different images, and then from that point, what I would do is I would send you back a detailed PDF document letting you know and elaborating a little bit more on things that could be improved or different ways that I would approach it. And I would just try to give as much information as I can, so that way you as your investor, you as the tattoo artist that's looking to grow, can get the most value and the most bang for your buck right here. So in a nutshell, that is what the personal tattoo feedback is for. It's for those who are looking to get that tattoo feedback directly tailored to their own specific tattooing needs. I highly recommend this service for anyone who is looking for something like that. I will go ahead and send you back a detailed PDF document explaining as much as I possibly can. And that is the idea of the navigation aspect of the website. You can just kind of look around, see what pops up in these sections, and kind of navigate to these areas right here. Right here in my YouTube channel section, this is basically an area where I've kind of just compiled a lot of my YouTube videos in an easy to consume format here, so that way you can see everything thoroughly, you can know what topic of what video it is. And that's the idea behind the YouTube section on my website. I'm just simply going to keep compiling all of my videos right here. Should any topics be more interesting to you, feel free to watch that video on your end, watch at your own pace. And again, I'm going to always be updating this website, so be sure to check back frequently. If you have any recommendations or any ideas that I can implement for my website to make it better, to give you all a better user experience, please let me know. I am all ears. If it's something that I can practically do, I will go ahead and get it done for you all. One last thing that I want to go over before I go ahead and conclude this video here is in the shop all section. Let's say if there are some, for example, tattoo stencils that you did want to purchase. In order to purchase a premium product and even the free products, you would just simply want to add to cart, and then you're going to want to check out. So let's say, for example, if I navigate right here and I click the add to cart, it's going to go ahead and add that product to my cart right here, and then from this point forward I can continue shopping to see if there's anything else that I would want, and then I can go ahead and go to the checkout area. In the checkout section, you're just simply going to check out as you would any other website such as Amazon, eBay. It doesn't matter, any site that you've purchased from before in the past, it's almost identical. Everything is SSL encrypted, safe, secure transactions, and you would just simply fill out the corresponding information, and then you would place your order, and then you'd be good to go. And then after you check out, you will be greeted with links on your account that you can go ahead and download the products that you paid for or the products that you wanted. I just wanted to point that out, let you all know that checking out is almost as easy as 1, 2, 3. There's really nothing to it. Now, I feel that that would be it for now. I am going to update this a lot here in the near future, so be sure to check back frequently on my website. And again, I'm going to highly encourage you, if you have any recommendations or if you have any ideas that I can implement into the website, please drop them in the comment section down below, and I will do my absolute best to get them implemented into the website. Now, if you have any questions about anything that you may have saw or heard throughout this video, I'm also going to encourage you to drop a comment, and I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell, as I'm going to be bringing more resources like this for you all. I also have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I would truly appreciate your support over there as well. If you enjoy my content and find my videos helpful, consider becoming a patron or sending over a super thanks, as I would truly appreciate your support. With that being said, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate your time. Have a great day.